In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks on Monday.com effortlessly. Whether you're managing a dynamic project or just want to automate your daily to-dos, this guide will help you set up your board so you can keep track of repetitive tasks without missing a beat. First, open the board where you like to set up recurring tasks. This might be your task board, project board, or an everyday to-do list. Ensure your board is well structured and includes columns for task name, status, and due date, as these elements will be crucial for organizing your recurring tasks effectively. Next, let's dive into automations. Click on the Automations button conveniently located at the top of your board. This opens up the Automation Center, a hub where you can create and manage various automations within your board. Here, in the search bar, type recurring. This will help you find the preset recipes designed specifically for recurring tasks, making your setup process much smoother. Now, it's time to choose an automation recipe that best suits your needs. There are several built-in options available. For instance, you can select the recipe that says every time period create an item, perfect if you need a task to be created on a specific schedule like every Monday at 9 a.m. for your weekly team meeting. Another common choice is every month on this date create an item, useful for tasks like sending a monthly report on the first day of each month. If you require a task to repeat daily, opt for every day create an item, which is ideal for things like daily stand-up prep. Once you've chosen the right recipe, customize your recurring task according to your specific needs. Set the frequency, whether daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often the task should recur. Define a clear task name, like Prepare Friday Report, so it's instantly recognizable. It's also essential to assign a due date. You can set it to the same day the task is created or adjust it, such as adding 2 days after the task is generated. Assigning the task to the right person is just as crucial, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and the task owner is always clear, promoting accountability. Before you fully implement your recurring task, it's always a good idea to test it out. Create a single test task to see how it appears on your board and in your schedules. If anything doesn't look quite right, adjust the timing or any task specifics as needed. Once everything's set up, monitor your tasks in Calendar View or My Work. This automation will ensure all your daily, weekly, and monthly responsibilities are handled efficiently, keeping you and your team on point and your workflow on autopilot. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to automate those recurring tasks on Monday.com. Happy organizing!